I pull up like this. Get one cupcake, you see, I don't pull up like this. She pull up, come out, and I want me down, they meet.
Pull up. Jojo one.
What's up now?
You get it?
I give one special package for you. I hear what you tell you. I want to call Gary.
Yeah.
Bro, I hear your conversation. No worry, a sharp guy. Normal. You get what I give you. See, it will help you. These guests now, they carry disease for body. So now I get one or two sure. You understand? So always say, if you carry them for body, you know if you contact. Bro, you know if you contact.
You sure. Forget. Don't be all these can't see boys. They call the white
You
house.
don't know me. You don't know me. They call me Olosho Phones and Gadget. If you obtain this phone from my hand, bros, any girl you carry, any girl you just carry come house like this, you know the girls get this phone go to communicate. This phone go be your homie. You go to communicate with you. Go say this girl go get gonorrhea. This girl get syphilis. This girl get sweetie. He go tell you so that you don't go feel like I no contact. Bro, get your phones. If you give me phones, I will give you this phone. You don't go for victim now.
Bro, how much is this phone, bro?
2.5.
2.5 million. How much is this guy can need you 2 million, please.
2 million. I know what. Based on say I like.
Give me your account number. 81. Okay.
64.
Okay.
33.
Okay.
33.
Okay.
78.
You get it?
Okay. Alright.
God have
Okay, I've just sent 2 million to your account.
It's sharp. I don't confirm. I'm take them.
Sharp, bro.
See, if you just reach house, you just enter house. Just plug the phone. If you plug this phone, you go tell everything about the girl you carry. If you just this girl you carry number, you go detect her for you. No worry. Sharp now. You go call me now. Sharp. Go package.
Thanks, man.
Bring customers.
Everyone good, bro.
Sharp.
Pull up. Jojo one. I'm a big fast have in the bed. Though I don't want no bitch in my bed. Me, I count my days, start blessing. I don't do coma. I want the ass back, the beating.
Jamo, can I talk to you 1 minute? Can I see you in private?
Excuse me, babe.
Okay, no problem.
You never my way. How could you tell me how to run? Be on the past and remember. In the Huawei. Pull up in the bed.
It's gonna happen.
Jamo, you see this girl we carry gun house so this girl not bad luck. I know go advise you make you knock this girl. This girl get gonorrhea,
You get it?
syphilis, sweetie, safely focus, chandeliers. This one I guess what I don't pass carry. Go for come up for your house.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's have it.
You get wish.
Are you mad?
Witchcraft join this your own.
This girl gonna kill you. Drag away. This girl just sweetie. Gonorrhea. Carry her go hospital.
Really, nigga?